CZAR KAISER.
Hey guys, it's your boy CZAR KAISER, and today I'm going to give a quick review on the new 2021 Honda Rebel 1100. The Rebel 1100 is Honda's premium cruiser that's very fun to ride. It's a laid-back motorcycle that's great for cruising around town and even carving out twisty canyons on weekend rides. This bike looks absolutely amazing. It has low maintenance, but still comes with plenty of modern features. It has a top speed of 160 kilometers an hour, and for 2021, this cool-looking cruiser comes with a price tag of $9,200, which features a twin-cylinder engine, low seat height, and a relaxed riding position that sets the new modern standard. There's a lot to learn about this bike, but before we get into that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel for more daily motorcycle news and reviews. You can also follow me on Instagram where I post daily motorcycle content, and definitely check out my online store where you can buy some cool motorcycle accessories and apparel. So yeah, let's get right back into it. The new 2021 Honda Rebel 1100 comes available in two color options, which are metallic black and Bordeaux red metallic. This bike looks absolutely awesome. It has a classic design that includes a blacked out engine and a blacked out frame, as well as a blacked out exhaust system that blends perfectly with the bike's overall look. The Rebel 1100 gets LED lights all around, and even a USB socket located under the seat. This bike has a steel rear fender that helps provide a solid support for the optional passenger seat. And thanks to the ideal placement of the seat, handlebar, and foot pegs, this cruiser provides comfortable riding ergonomics with a relaxed riding position. The Honda Rebel 1100 complies with Euro 5 emission standards, which means it's clean and also fuel efficient. This bike is powered by a 1084cc liquid-cooled 4-stroke twin-cylinder engine that puts out 85 horsepower and 98 Nm of torque. The 1100 comes available in two transmission options, which include the standard 6-speed transmission or the automatic dual-clutch transmission option for an additional price. This bike also comes equipped with a slipper clutch, throttle-by-wire, wheelie control, cruise control, and even 4 riding modes, which are standard, range, sport, and the 4th option is completely customizable. The Rebel 1100 has a low center of gravity and weighs 487 pounds with a compact wheelbase of 59.8 inches. It has a low 27.5-inch seat height and a ground clearance of 4.7 inches. This bike has a large fuel tank capacity of 13.6 liters and a fuel consumption of 4.9 liters for every 100 kilometers, providing an approximate riding range of 270 kilometers. The new Rebel 1100 is built on a strong tubular trellis frame and tubular double-sided swing arm that adds a unique style to the bike. The suspension system on this bike is handled by a 43mm telescopic fork up front that's adjustable for preload and provides 4.8 inches of front suspension travel. At the back are dual show shocks that are also adjustable for preload and provides 3.7 inches of rear suspension travel. The Rebel 1100 sits on Dunlop D428 wide tires and comes equipped with multi-spoke aluminum cast wheels with 18 inches at the front and 16 inches at the back. This bike comes with powerful disc brakes that include dual-channel ABS. At the front is a single 330mm disc gripped by a single radial-mounted 4-piston caliper. At the back is a single 256mm disc with a single piston caliper. The Rebel 1100 comes equipped with a classic digital LCD display that shows all the information you need, such as a clock, speedometer, tactometer, odometer, gear position indicator, fuel indicator, torque control level, engine output mode, engine braking mode, and much more. So yeah, that's about it for the new 2021 Honda Rebel 1100. Be sure to leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about the bike. Do you like the new style and design? Do you think the Rebel 1100 is the best looking cruiser? Let me know your thoughts down below. I respond to every comment, so definitely let me know down below in the comment section. Also, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel for more daily motorcycle news and reviews. And give this video a thumbs up if you like it. You can also follow me on Instagram where I post daily motorcycle content. Alright, that's it for now, guys. See you tomorrow. Peace.
This year, this is a statement. A declaration. intersection of raw and refined, of laid back and hold on. It's 6 torqued out speeds housed in an automatic dual clutch transmission, a standard ride mode, and an anything but standard ride. It's the perfect song at the perfect time. Yeah, that's the one. This is ABS standard, LEDs front and back, and it's over 90 horses of this is gonna be fun. Now this is unexpected, because this is sport bike fun, all dressed up as a cruiser. It's high revs, lightning fast shifts, it's nimble and lean, and it devours curves one by one. This one, that one, the next one. It gets low and leans in. This is life goals. This is all day, any day. Out here, this is an escape pod, because this goes the distance. It's power, wrapped in comfort, tempered by torque control. It's rain mode with no rain necessary. Smooth shifts, passengers welcome. This is next-gen technology, made simple. Yes, this is our latest creation. The 2021 Honda Rebel 1100. All-day Rebel.
CZAR KAISER.